Good morning. I'm going to show you guys how to convert a mini fridge into a freezer. Here you have a 3.5 cubic foot mini fridge by Magic Shelf. I bought it for $50 off Craigslist. Didn't have any shelves in it, so I Mickey Moused the shelves. But anyway, this is what you do. You simply remove the divider tray that goes under the freezer section. It's also called a freezer tray. You remove that. You want to get a mini fridge with as big a freezer section as you can. With the divider tray out, you turn the cold control to its highest number, and it then everything becomes a freezer. Let's see what we got here. We had down to 8 degrees before I opened the door. The only thing that separates this freezer section from the refrigerator section in a mini fridge or a manual defrost refrigerator is the divider tray. When it's out, the whole thing becomes a freezer. And that's all there is to it.